about. For 2 weeks, me sure about anything shy. Gotta make it sad.
And if you could have seen the shop too, it was even fucking second-hand shop. Me, I've got too much clothes to be taking stuff from a second-hand shop. Why would I? So fucking piss me off in the morning. I don't even cuss. I'm lying. I do cuss. But you know what? I didn't even cuss her out, which I should have. But because I was on the phone talking, because it shocked me too. Come on, woman. Listen to me. Don't spoil up my morning. I should have a go at you. You're damn lucky. I know. I'm out. Hi guys, wagwan, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Join the family. Pick up. I'm out.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, what's going on? Happy Monday. It's another day and it's another week, so let's give thanks. So now I'm in my car. I'm going to shopping and I look so different because I've took off my lashes, but you know what, I'm waiting for my Amazon package so I can do them. And I said I wasn't gonna trouble my eyebrow, but you know what, they need a little bit of timing. Anyway, how was your weekend? I hope it was good. As for me, it was okay. It's not brilliant. The weather is not good. It wasn't giving. We had a thunderstorm all weekend, and today we're in between rain and sunshine. It's drizzling outside and the sun is shining, but you know what that means? People gonna start getting sick. You're gonna start getting a cold. Yeah, but this is what it is. For the weekend I was rolling by myself, but it's okay because I noticed I'm becoming more secluded. I'm start dropping people. I don't know. I'm getting back in the era that I can't trust no one again. I don't know. Sometimes I just cut people off. I don't really keep a lot of friends and a lot of friends around. But I hope that will pass. But that's how my mama grown me. So what do you want me to do? Anyway, my new style, I put it up in a bun because you know this girl like a bun and wrap. I'm not wrapping it in today because I'm not really doing anything. I'm in and out of shopping. I don't even need much. But you got to go. You have to go. And side note, I might be too dramatic, but my blindness finally put up. And listen, me and my husband, I nearly even lose my relationship over this blind because we argue over this blind so much. But it's finally up. I had to get paid someone to do it, and I should have done that ages ago instead of asking my husband to do it because he couldn't even manage. But it's up finally. And my kitchen is nearly done. I just need to get a few more things sorted. I bought a roller tint, window tint, to tint it so I can see outside, but they can't see inside because people is so nosy. And my neighbor's kids, they're always running all over the balcony, but I think that's it. Anyway, let me go shopping. I think someone need my parking space. So I'll see you guys later. Look, I placed near on my eyebrows to get it in shape, but don't worry, this doesn't burn. It's the sensitive nair. So I'll wait for a few minutes and then I'll wash it off. And next and then is the eyelash. Look, I'm different. Just have my lashes done and I'm drying it now. So what do you think? Hi guys, wagwan. It's your girl Janet, and today is Tuesday. It's Tuesday afternoon, and look at the weather. It's cloudy. It looks like it's gonna rain, but the weather said it's just gonna be cloudy all day. But let's see how that goes. But I'm geared up for any weather. I'm in a jacket so that if it's a little bit cold, not too cold where you can't manage, but it's got to do what it's got to do. Anyway, I'm on my way to class because you know the girl change her time because that guy, I don't want to say bad about anyone. So before I say bad about anyone, I just look out for myself. So he drive me out of the class. So not literally push me out, but his behavior, and I can't concentrate. So yeah, so I switch for the afternoon. Although I really like morning so that I can get everything done in the afternoon. But it finishes at 3:30, which is not bad. So I can come home and cook and wash because Jano, my washing basket is overflowing, and it because the clothes can't dry like I want to very fast because you know, because of the weather, and I need someone to come and look on my dryer because I don't know what's the problem. Anyway, but before I run to class, I need to stop at the gym where I go to do my swimming and stuff because my card is being restricted because I think they need to see an ID for my proof of address. So I'll just go there and get that reinstated because I wanted to book for last week's Sunday to meet up my friend to go for swimming, but that couldn't happen. I was a bit lazy to go and do it, so I'm just gonna do it today because I'm passing that area. So that's my mission for today. And you know what? I'll be keeping up with you with my life. Cause you're all in my business. But what spicy? Me no business in nobody business. So I've updated everything so I can be at the swimming gym now. So kudos for me. So next browse a little bit and then I go class. And that's it. It was so simple and easy to do. It's just for me to come in. I'm back in the gym world and gym life again. You see, this girl is putting on a little bit meat in places that it shouldn't be going. My tummy, it can go anywhere else, but I'm gonna work on it. Do you know my background? Do you know where I am? Well, it's another day, another bleaky and cold day. So today is Wednesday. I'm off to the shops. I don't think I've got nothing that much to do today. I'm just gonna run to the shop and just chill. And the problem is my house, or my building I should say, we don't have any hot water in this cold day. But you know what? I hope it comes back later. They always tell us when we're not having any hot water by informing us with a letter or something. But I haven't seen that letter. I don't know what's going on. So today is gonna be a boring day. I sit down in the house, chill, cook, all the sorts. So I'm in the lift. Goody girl, goody. Hey. Anyway, let me run to the shops. Quick. I won't be vlogging much today because again, I'm not doing much, am I? You get where you get and you take where you get, innit? Can you believe I came out and leave my keys? The most important thing. Lucky thing people are at my house. So let me go get it. Go get it. I can't believe I left my keys. Oh my God. Luckily, there's people inside because I would be locked outside. I've got to give this piece of story time. So now I'm walking home. But before I went on my journey to go home. I went into this clothes shop looking. But I had this can. My wallet's in my pocket. And I was on the phone talking to my friend. And then I was browsing and looking through some clothes, and somehow in the corner of my eyes, I'm so pissed off, I saw this woman watching to see if I'm stealing. I'm like, there's more than one person in the shop. Why are you watching me? Even the guy that was on the counter checking out, I saw him look. I said, listen, let me come out of this shop even if I was buying something. Is it because I'm black? Is it because of my skin color? Why are you watching me? When she saw me looking at her, oh my God, she was so startled. She started moving all the clothes on the rack. You know, that was a bitch ass move, yeah? I would never go back in that shop again. So I don't know why you was watching me, because guess what? I wouldn't even take anything from that shop, thank you. And I'm not a thief. I work hard for everything I've got. So that's my little rant for the morning. Let me walk on my journey. Listen to me. Because of our skin color, yeah, we have to go through some piece of shit in these countries, yeah. Stop profiling people. Not every black people are thieves. Thank you. And if you could have seen the shop too, it was even a fucking second-hand shop. Me, I've got too much clothes to be taking stuff from a second-hand shop. Why would I? So fucking piss me off in the morning. I don't even cuss. I'm lying. I do cuss. But you know what? I didn't even cuss her out, which I should have. But because I was on the phone talking, because it shocked me too. Come on, woman. Listen to me. Don't spoil up my morning. I should have a go at you. You're damn lucky. I know. I'm out. Happy Wednesday, guys. It's no, it's not Wednesday. It's Thursday. Happy Thursday. How are you doing? Because I didn't do anything yesterday productive. I'm not checking that the time is moving so quickly. So today is Thursday. Today is my work day. The lift is here. So now I'm off to work. Do you like my hairstyle? It's raining outside, so let's see how it goes. Because you know, when I work, I can't vlog, so I see you. Someone's coming in the lift. It's the worst day for me to go to work today because I'm in my woman era, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm taking this collagen shawl. I saw it in the shop yesterday, so I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. Because guess what? This girl needs some energy. I hope when I go to the bus stop, it is not full. I'm praying because now is the busy period. Everyone is trying to go to work and going to school. So let's see how the bus stop goes. Oh my god, I came a bit late. What did I say? The bus stop is full. I hope I get a bus soon. Hi guys, so this is this week trend at Primark. It's like t-shirts with music artists on it. You have like Bon Jovi, you've got Tupac and stuff like that, with pairs with jeans, and I think it's nice. And Sex and the City, if you're into those style, it is for you. So you can find them at Primark. And next, it's, I used to watch this in the days, it's called Sesame Street, and it's all in different colors, but this is the PJ section. So if this is for you, I think you should go and get it. It's all in different colors: blue, red, green, and yellow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look, it's Saturday, it's another day, and it's the same old me. It's early in the morning and I'm on my way to work. The move yesterday wasn't complete, was by myself. It was so hard. So today I'm going in early to finish it. It's just me and a man on the road. He's ahead. Just that. Anyway, I'm going in early to complete the move, and then I'll be finished early. So who knows? I want to do something later. But you know, if I'm doing something later, you know, I'll take you along with me. But if not, who knows? Like I said, later will be greater. So let me go get my bus and I'll check in later. It is so cold outside, it's freezing. Hold on, my phone is ringing. What's going on? Saturday evening, just came back from work. Now I'm getting ready to go on dating myself. I'm going out for a meal, so I'm gonna get ready now and I'll check in with you when I'm finished. When I'm finished and get myself sorted, then you'll see. Let me show you my outfit of the day, if I can show it properly. I'm wearing this brown top, and it's from Zara, and this pale jeans with, I'm gonna pair it with this brown bag, if you can see properly. Yep, that crochet bag, and then this trainers with a little brown in it, and I'm good to go. I'm just gonna put on light makeup and that's it, because it's nothing too fussy. But I see you when I'm ready. So this is my outfit of the day. Everything is oversized except my under blouse, trousers from Zara, oversized, jacket from New Look, it's oversized, and my crochet bag. I need to fix my pocket. There we go. Hey, hey.
I tell them, hey yo, it's a topic, now we're rhetoric, methodology. Iconic like a puppet, can you tell me? Frequency wave on it, make it turn off. They call out your chest like a tonic. Get that bar work, hustle money, economic. Work to do, my word charismatic. Flashy, Versace, they can't catch me. She's in the city like I was playing Jumanji. King of the empire with the brown skin Taraji. You don't know about my style, you want around you. And see they get murdered with the Injarul Ashanti. Ramping, Super M, I'm not, yeah, we ain't ramping. Benjon got skanking, cover, I jack the flow just like a bandit. We could be blaze, I'm blaze, they demanding. Baba Super, up at the man, yo, ha, lap sick. Deep at the lower resistance of gravity. They can't manage me, I'm like a stampede. As we enter inside the place, the bass banging. You know, we got everybody around the world skanking. Terror the underground from Birmingham to London. And I make a big noise that we were monsters. Baba Super into the place, on the mic, we ride with the back. Ow!
So we ride with them, come a dance all and ting-a-ling-a-ling. School bell a ring, come we dance and sing. For the first step on the mic and rhythm. Never know when I sit dance so. We come a dance on the neck and dance on the toe. Everybody come, just get down low, just get down low. Baby tell me what you know, what the back of post stand. Me know me as the one, me come a dance all, I make nice obsession. Pick up the body and the Rasta man. You know say for the parts in a style and fashion. And when me say
for a long time, me doing this, I give me the better if you know me, never rap the relevant similar. Me tear up any rhythm when they give me like a penny, cause me know that all the reason when they give me for. Me fully up with style all the while, so much rhythmic and pile versatile, never similar. For me at 20 years of age, chat might go past stage, never afraid, cause me know where me go in it for. Further stay with me smaller. Wheel out my selector.
Big up Mo Dollars, big up Mo Dollars. Him beat this Mo Dollars, yeah? And like me, I got send him a donation, you know, because me and him go back and forth about the beat, and I said, I'm gonna bring it to AG, and I bet you a whirl a man jump on it and see ya. So Mo Dollars, wherever you're there, I told you, yeah? So me still I go give you a donation, go and pick up yourself. Let me start it, pick up the man there. Alright, when we ready, yo. The fuck around rude boy, when me spit it, make a boy eye papa like me and them spinach. Shoot up the face like a pussy, me a drill him. Gain like a case of the liquor I'm sipping. Bad mind had the girls and I'm getting, and I'm all around the world with a world of winning in my grudge. Cause them can't do what me do, you see me, them send me a OG. But your girl, them a give me the pepper in the soup, and them iPod, the best better bulletproof with the super fire. Doggy bark like it was a Rockweiler. Me and the send me them pan out a pilot. Governor strike force, King Alliance, world boss thing. When I'm pre-pire, 4RT, you better see guidance. We had the missile lock on your penile gland, that's a head topper, Highlander. And them ones for what sidewinder. We had the city pack up like a Al-Qaeda. Me and the kid pack up on your bad night rider. Walking it drive by like a bike rider. And the got chilling with a shot driver. I mean, hit the game like 25 plus. So me sick up on the rhythm and me went dangerous. AG in at the Britain Cup with Rose Pants over top of the vibe with the right dangerous bad boy super. And with the young Brixton that they put it on me right hand. And we got
Saturday bar. So I need to finish my cocktail and go somewhere else, or even go home. But let's see what the night takes me. But oh, this zombie cocktail is kicking my bum. It's so nice, but it's so little. Come on, eyes, are they burning? There's a meeting in my bed. In my bed. But let me tell you, this solar day is so good. Hey, hey. South London is the bomb. This place is so packed. Let me show you.
Me say she beautiful, me say she wonderful, me say she wonderful, she gorgeous, hey. Me like when the girl them beautiful, me like when the girl them gorgeous, me like when the girl them spacious, and them scrumptious, and them precious. Yes, beautiful. Listen.
How's everyone doing tonight? Brixton, make some noise! I'm Anissa Marie. I want to do a couple tracks for you this evening. Big up to you. I'm Anissa Marie. Hi everyone. You can find me on Instagram or Spotify or any major platform. ANESAMARIE. That's me. Let's go. This is called My Ecstasy. Big up. 60. Aaron in the building. From Gary's team to you. Yeah, I'll promise I'm not leave that.
Surrounded by the people drowning in collection stories and I let my hands to God and then let it go.
Come on!
Yeah, yeah. Oh, let me be. Oh, let me be. Oh, let me be. Let me be. Oh, let me live my ecstasy. I found loving. I found someone that has a soul. I need sweet. I wanna be the medicine. Oh, let me live my ecstasy. Give me my offer from the God. Training me at my final form. I knew I had to support hard. Let me be, oh let me live my ecstasy. I found loving, I found love, I found someone that has soul. Honestly, I wanna be a legacy. Oh let me live my ecstasy. Giving my all the time to joy. Training me at my final form. I knew I had to don't be shy, baby, you're here. Only this moment is real. Sorry, babe. Sorry. I know that you'll be working on me. I give you something you can feel.
Hey, I just came back from my holiday, which was amazing because you know what? I'm buzzing. I didn't get anything to eat because I didn't make a reservation, and the place was packed to the brim. I was waiting, but guess what? I made happy hour and the cocktail was lethal. I was drinking zombie. And you know what? I feel like a zombie. And you know, I went to Brixton. And Brixton is always buzzing. There was a TikTok live going on. There was loads of stuff going on. I even went live. But I'm back home and I'm still hungry. And I stopped in the trusty Iceland. And I got 2 cottage pie, one for me, one for my son. So that's dinner, because dinner didn't make it outside, but Janet did. Anyway, you know, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So if you're interested and if you like it, put a thumbs up, leave a comment, and wait for the next vlog. And you know what? See ya.